It's Phuket's high season. Similan, Maya Bay, Koh Kradang, Koh Ha, Koh Rock. Everything's open. Let's talk about where you can go island hopping in Phuket. Hi there guys, Sean from 5-Star Marine with Mr. J.
Hello Sean, welcome to high season.
It is my favorite time of year.
Woo, so hot.
Actually, it's about the season. I have two things that happen with me. I'm either very red from sunburn or very white from not being in the sun.
Well, Sean,
and you're about to see a very red version of me as I start to go into high season.
Well, with your new medical procedure, Sean, you're looking beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Do you like the size?
Huh? I do like the size.
Anyway,
lovely.
in this video, we're talking about what to open in high season because this is one of our most frequently asked questions.
Is
and
it?
The easy answer is everything.
We should do a video on frequent. Is that the answer?
Literally everything is open.
Well, that's it, done.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. If you got any questions, comment below.
But if you've never been to Phuket before and you want to know what everything is, have a listen to Jay.
Okay, everything. Okay, should we start at the top?
Let's start wherever you like.
We could start at the very beginning. A very good place to start.
The good news is that this is an unscripted video and my throw to Jay just didn't work. So
when you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with...
Let's start with...
No, don't rate me.
Let's start with the islands that are open that are 2 hours away from Phuket.
No, you're further away.
Let's do by distance.
Okay, by distance.
So the ones that are the furthest...
I was going to do one. Go.
The ones that are the furthest away, starting with...
Koh Ha!
And Koh Rock, which is a great snorkeling destination. It's
Never
got
been.
Very good coral,
I've
very,
never been.
very beautiful sandy beach.
Never
and if
been.
you visit in November, a waterfall. Next.
Never been.
Next.
You said I can go there.
Next.
Where?
Next.
Oh,
2 hours away.
Koh Kradang.
There we go. Jay's
Next.
favourite place to see crocodiles.
Oh, I love crocodile.
Yes.
Beautiful there.
Koh Kradang, Koh Mok, and Koh Nai. It's 2 hours away, but very beautiful. And Koh Kradang won best beach in the world 2 years ago.
Yeah, many beaches. Southend-on-Sea won best beach once. Also, Emerald Caves down there. That's beautiful.
It's a nice mix of snorkeling and beach time.
On Koh Mok, they've got all the little starfish that live in the sea. They're really cool.
Next.
What?
2 hours away.
Please help.
Help me! Help me!
I don't know.
Similan.
We've just done a whole video about Similan. Similans, they're 2.5 hours away. That's
A good snorkeling spot, a very, very good place to see turtles.
That's right.
Now coming back within 1 hour of Phuket.
Why can't you? I can't. Yes, 1 hour of Phuket.
Next.
PP.
There you go. Next.
James Bond and Pangar Bay.
Next.
Hong Krabi.
Next.
Kai Island.
Next.
Coral Island.
Next.
Maitan Island. Ratcha. Yay.
And
you do.
Noi.
yes, very good. Is that it?
I don't know. Captain's Choice is open. Look, everything's open. Look at the map.
It's the season to be island hopping because you do not need to worry about what is closed. Everything is open in our high season. Pretty much from October 15th all the way through to May 15th. Everything is open.
However, October and November and early December can still be a little bit rainy and bumpy, so just be careful.
Yeah, so you can contact us. We'll give you a weather update on where we think you should go and what you should do. If you're undecided and you don't know where to go, Captain's Choice is the best tour for you.
What's a Captain's Choice, Sean? Just quickly.
There's a video below that you should go watch.
Just tell them.
No, put it in the description because it's a whole video we're going to do.
Okay, let's give you, just quickly, so some top tips. Where would you like to go in the 24-25 season?
No, we did a whole video on that already.
Have we?
Yes.
What, our top tips of where to go?
Yes.
When did we record that one? I can't remember what we've done. Anyway, look, everything's open. That's the easiest thing. Why are we doing this video? Because I got to write the blog about it. Is that what I'm doing?
No, again, it's
what am I going to write?
What's
Everything's
open in 2024, 2025
everything.
high season.
We could just done everything.
We said that already, but for the first time visitors that don't know, let's give you, if you're a first time visitor, certainly locations like PP and James Bond are the most popular. If you're looking to get off the beaten track but stay within an hour, places like Raya, Hong Krabi are good places to go. Honestly, this time of year, everything is great to go, but do get an early start because early starts get out before the crowd.
I'm going to give you a top tip. Hong Krabi.
Yeah,
I think that's a very underrated place to go because it's got great snorkeling.
Yes.
Some clownfish up there, but the viewpoint I think is absolutely, it's probably my favourite viewpoint ever.
And low letting at sunset, can't beat it.
There you go. Top tip there for you.
Yes. That's it, guys. So if you're coming to Phuket in high season and you need some advice on where to go, feel free to message us on WhatsApp, send us an email, drop us a line on Instagram, message us on Facebook, or send a picture.
Sean wants to get back to the office. You can tell we've done a few videos in a row now, and I can see he's itching to get onto his phone and answer some WhatsApps. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.